Okay guys, Thunder RC, I got this. I trust you, man. I seen your videos. We're gonna do an unboxing of this, which is weak because everybody on YouTube's unboxing, but we're gonna do it anyway. Ooh, pretty. Oh, yeah, those bearings, yeah, I hope so. They come loose. Look at that. Still taped. Okay, let's unbox. Do. Okay. There it is. Ooh-wee. I like the pink. Let's check this thing out. Arma tough, I guess. So this thing, I assumed was just like a granite, but it actually feels heavier. It feels. Let me do Kevin tell about.
The tires are very supple. Look at that.
My goodness. You ready?
Everybody loves this part. Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's see what's inside. It looks cool. You got that. On the side. Nice. This looks like a granite. It's just a granite. But you know what? We'll see. Like these little skid plates. This, I don't know, we'll find out. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? It's a little different. It looks cool. You know, it's kind of the same as the other one, but you know what? With these, I noticed on the granite, the only issue I have is these rear drive shafts snapping on me. This has different tires on it, so it may hold up. So, but the granite has some serious bumpers on it. This one, let's see. Let's see this bumper. It's almost like a big rock version of a bumper. Put a different shock tower on it. Kind of lower it. Let's check. You know what? All those 3S lines have a lot of wobble in this steering. This one's not too bad. I'm gonna check the diffs and everything before I run it. And that's it. Let's see what else is in the box. You got this? That pink is cool. And we gotta make sure those wires don't rub. Okay, what do we got here? What's it come with? What's it come with? Okay, the controller. Comes with the new one, better. And stickers, we get stickers on this one? Oh, no stickers. Arma, come on, man, we love our stickers. Oh, I forgot that there's like a gun thing in there. Extra stuff. Extra, you got a 22 pinion gear on there. Thunder said he ran his as is. So we will do this. It looks good. I like this controller better than the other one. Let's see. All right. Nothing's hanging up. I'm gonna check the gear mesh, check the diffs. And then we're gonna send it off to the moon. To the moon. All the way into the moon. I don't know, it's cool. We'll see. We'll see. The big rock body is very tough. This kind of feels in between. The granite body is like made out of a soft plastic that bends, but looks cool. Got the vortex. They tagged it. Look at that, 3S. Let's see, there it is.
Don't just bash, blast.
Well, if Thunder sent this, if Thunder sent that, and he punished it, we're gonna do the same thing. Find out what happens next on the Golden Girls. Play with RC cars. All right, guys. Peace.
Now that the ramp was finished, General Lee was raring to take off like the Yankees at Manassas. That's Bull Run to all you folks up north.
All right, Phil, hang on tight. This is gonna be the closest thing to a parachute jump you've seen since you left the service.
Long about now, I bet that boy wishes he had a parachute.